Hey, I'm Manmajumdar. So, it was my dream from my childhood that I wanted to use my hands to read books. Keyboard seemed a bit boring for me. So, I tried many ways. I tried using telekinesis. I tried using my brain really hard. But there was no solution for it. And slowly, my friends started losing hope on me.
What the? Dude, you know what? I'm just gonna close this video. Right?
They started judging me. I had lost all hope. But then, one day, I came in my dream. And that's when I realized.
So, you're a coder, right? So, can't you just code that?
Yes, I can. I can code it. So that's what I did. I made a program that can detect your hands and let you move your pages. So you can just take your hand like this and turn a page and turn and turn. If you do this, the page goes left. If you do this, the page goes right. I hope you liked my project.